Soap's made of fat and butter's a fat. So can you make soap out of 100% butter? What little information I could find on the internet seemed to think it wouldn't be a good idea, but I had to try it myself to find out. So you're gonna need all your soaping stuff, of course, nothing new there. And this time I went for my custom mold because I wanted to do an extra small batch. Butter's expensive, I'm poor, and I don't wanna waste it. So first thing to do is to weigh out your lye, and then weigh out your water. The recipe is down below in the description. And then of course add your lye to the water, try and do it outside, fumes, heat, all that stuff. And for some reason run away, where was I going? And then I weighed out my butter, I believe it's about 130 grams. Like I said, recipes below. Now since butter is solid at room temperature, I had to microwave it, and I had to microwave it for a while, so it got pretty hot. This is a hot soap to work with, especially when you add in the lye water, which is also hot. Hit it with the stick blender, like and subscribe if you want to see if butter soap works or not, and more crazy stuff. Come back every Friday at noon. This traced pretty quick. I was happy with that. It set up like a soap. I started getting a bit worried. It was really hot. The internet was tainting my thoughts. I didn't know if it was gonna work. So I put the elastic on. I got some on my hands. That burned a bit. That wasn't fun. And I let it sit overnight. And then when I use this mold, I freeze it before releasing because it helps it release better. It didn't release great. It's a struggle to get a soap to release perfectly from the mold as is. So this is what I expected. No issues here. Here's the thing with the soap. When you touch it raw, it smells like butter, like a strong butter smell. So that's kind of off-putting, but it's set like soap. It holds like soap. It washes and lathers like soap and cleans like soap. So I would call this a success. If you wanted, you could use butter in your recipes at a lower percentage. Making it out of 100% butter does work, but I don't see why you would do it.